If the problem with your washer is that it's not filling with the selected water temperature, the problem could be a bad water mixing valve. The easier way to check the water mixing valve is with a homemade test cord like this one. To make a test cord like this one, all you need is a cord and two female 1/4-inch quick disconnect terminals. All you have to do is attach the two terminals to the cord. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet and keep it disconnected. You will need to open the controls panel. To do that, you will need to use a potty knife. This is the way to disengage the holding clips that are holding the controls panel in place. You will need to push in with the potty knife to compress the clips. Then you could open the controls panel. And this is the way to reinstall the holding clips if they come off while opening the controls panel. Open the controls panel. And lay it down on top of the washer like this. Now you have access to the water valve solenoids. Disconnect the wires from the water mixing valve. Don't pull on the wires or you could break the wires. Grab the connectors and wiggle them. Connect the test cord to one of the solenoids on the water valve. Open the door on the washer so you can see what's going on. Connect the test cord to the wall outlet to apply electricity to the solenoid. If no water enters the washer, the water mixing valve is bad and must be replaced. If water flows into the washer, this side of the water valve is okay. Next, you need to check the other solenoid. Disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet. Disconnect the test cord from this solenoid and connect it to the other solenoid. And connect the test cord to the wall outlet to apply electricity to the solenoid. If no water enters the washer, the water mixing valve is bad and must be replaced. If water flows into the washer, then the water valve is okay. And the problem must be somewhere else in the washer. Watch the next video to see how to replace the water mixing valve. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button to be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.